Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode, I'm happy to share one of our favorite cake at home, no-bake, 3-layered mosaic cake. It has a mosaic cake base made with petit-beurre biscuits and topped with 2 different layers of cream, along with slices of bananas and decorated with more chocolates and raspberries. So easy to make, so delicious. You can keep it in the freezer for a long time and enjoy on hot summer days. So let's get started. I'm gonna begin with making the mosaic layer for my cake. I have about 50 grams butter. I melted. Here is the only cooking process, by the way. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and mix everything well. I'm going to pour this to a bigger bowl and begin to break my petit-beurre biscuits. In total, you will need about a 1.5 package or 250 grams of petit-beurre biscuits. Please don't add all the biscuit at once. Give it a stir first and then continue. I'm adding half cup of coarsely chopped walnuts and half cup of whole milk before continue to stir everything well until the sauce covers all the biscuits. This cake is very popular in Turkey, as I said in the beginning, and it's like a mama's cake we remember from our childhood, and it comes out very delicious too and very handy. So I added a couple of more biscuits and they all soaked the sauce. It's ready now. To build my cake, I'm gonna use this cake ring mold. It is adjustable to any centimeters. I want to make a high cake, so I choose about 20 centimeter in diameter. But of course you can also use any springform pan that has removable sides. I'm going to put it in the fridge and continue with the second step. To my mixing bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of cold whole milk and 1 package of cream chantilly powder. This is what we use in Turkey to make light cream, but you can also use only heavy cream, whip it, and continue with the other steps. Now I have a nice thick base for my cake. I'm adding 100 grams of cream cheese and going to mix it again. Here you can also, as an option, melt some white chocolate and add it for an extra taste, about 50 to 100 grams. And now I'm going to put half of it to another bowl and begin to flavor them. I'm adding a chocolate spread, 2 full tablespoons, and going to mix it. I'm chopping about 50 grams of bittersweet chocolate. I usually prefer this way when I'm using chocolate in recipes. DIY, and going to add it to my cream. And here we go. Our second chocolate layer is ready. Just pour it over the mosaic cake layer, which is cooled already, and spread. The only hard part in this recipe is actually is to wait on each step so the cream sets a bit before you continue the second layer. So for the next half of the cream, I'm gonna add some raspberries, about 2 handfuls. This is frozen one. You can also use a strawberry or other kind of berries, but raspberry really goes well with the combination with chocolate and a mosaic cake. Before adding the raspberry layers, I wanna make another layer with some sliced bananas. Now I can spread the raspberry base. Even from now you can I think get the idea that it will be very delicious, which it really is. So if you try, please let me know if you like it or not by commenting. You can also share your photos from Instagram Turkish food recipes. Before I put it into the freezer, I chopped some extra chocolate and spread over the cream, and also sprinkled again some raspberries. In a moment I'm gonna show you how it looks like after it is sliced, but I'm very sorry, my friends, that we couldn't wait much longer, especially my daughter. So even though it was a night time, we served it, and the first slice was a bit soft. Then we waited a little more and it was set, so the second layer is more perfect looking. But let me tell you, my friends, it's really delicious. And please keep the cake in the freezer. You can thaw it for 10 minutes for easy slicing before serving. I hope you give it a try. Especially the mosaic cake layer goes so well with the cream, the raspberry, chocolate and walnuts, everything. I can confidently say that it is one of our favorite cake at home. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell button if you haven't yet. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and vlogs. Afiyet olsun.
Alo.
Alo, iyi günler.
İyi günler.
Aramıştınız beni, gelebilirsiniz diye arıyorum.
Aynen. Tamam, bir yaklaşık yarım saat sizdeyim.
Tamam, oldu, sağ ol. İyi, hadi görüşürüz. Soğuk galiba. Sen ne giydin? Hı? He.
Ne yapacağım?
Düz olsun. Tamam, bir seferde indir aşağı kadar. Aşağısı daha yumuşak. Sertti. Hı hı. Tamam. Öteki tarafı da. Orayı mı yapıyorsun? Öteki taraftan yapsaydın ki. Öteki taraftan yap. İstersen çevirebilirsin diyeceğim ama. Hı.
Tamam. Tamam. Onu alayım ben şimdi. Ben sana getireceğim.